In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Coming Soon page in Shopify store. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional placeholder that lets visitors know what's on the way while keeping your setup simple and focused. First, sign into your Shopify admin and land on the home dashboard for your store. This is your control center, and everything we need is accessible from the left-hand menu. Next, open the online store section. This is where you manage what shoppers actually see, including your theme, navigation, and key storefront preferences. From there, head into Preferences. This area controls important visibility settings for your storefront. Here, you'll see the password protection setting. Turn password protection off so your Coming Soon message is visible to anyone who visits your domain. If you prefer to keep the store locked while you prepare, you can always come back to this setting later and switch it on again. For now, with protection off, your announcement will be public-facing and easy for customers to find. As a quick note, if you have live products or menus that lead to unfinished pages, consider keeping navigation minimal so the focus stays on your announcement. Now return to the online store area and open Themes. This shows your current theme and any others you might be testing. Choose the theme you're using for the storefront and open the editor by selecting the option to customize it. This launches the visual editor where you'll make the change that turns your homepage into a Coming Soon page. Inside the editor, click directly on your header section. In most themes, this is where the main announcement or site title appears. Select the header text and change it to something clear and direct, like Coming Soon or Opening Soon. You can add a short line underneath to set expectations, such as a launch month or a brief promise about what's arriving. Keep it concise so the message is unmistakable. Depending on your theme, you can adjust typography, alignment, and colors right in the same panel to make the message stand out. Aim for high contrast and a simple layout so visitors immediately understand what's happening. If your theme includes an announcement bar, you can use that space as well to reinforce your message. When you're happy with how it looks, preview the storefront to confirm the header text reads well on both desktop and mobile. That's it. Your homepage now functions as a clean, Coming Soon page, giving visitors a clear signal while you finish setting up the rest of your store.